Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on evolution of Pravas.
Yes, so we all know that Pravas is a very great
Right.
talented actor and especially the Telugu actor.
Yes.
And we see a lot of videos of Pravas, even though it is in Hindi or Telugu
Right.
or any language. So his acting skill, his appearance, his
Right.
body language is very good actually.
Yes. And also he
And
got too much popularity,
popularity
after Bahubali across the world, you can say.
Definitely. So because Bahubali is a this kind of movie or the cinema where he can able to express his 100%,
Right.
and that is where the people are becoming crazy that time.
Yes.
Even we also, we are
Right.
like he
And
is the
also
perfect match
Perfect match, and
for
it
the
suits
Bahubali
him
role.
that character perfectly.
Very well,
Yes.
very well. If you see the village guy, that is
Not
Shiva,
only the village guy,
and
but
also to the
yes.
king.
Yeah,
Both.
but also in the earlier days also, whatever the pictures and images or we have in our mind,
Ah.
it looks like some guy with a long powerful,
powerful kind of
physique and all
and
everything.
Yeah,
So
he's very
perfectly
much
matched
perfectly
with that.
matched. Not only him, but also other characters.
Yes.
They are also very very well matched with the movie.
Right.
So he got so much popularity from Bahubali movie, and we are extremely proud of him. Also, the evolution part, like from 2002 to 2019, we I'm hoping that we get to see a lot of ups and downs
Yes.
of his life, like how, because every actor's life is not that easy. They have to struggle a lot initial days. They can get some failure,
Yes,
some
of course,
success,
of
ups
course.
and downs
That
and everything. So I
that is
think I'm
there.
hoping
Yes.
it will be there. So yeah, let's get started with video. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. Okay.
Oof, that getup.
अरे he is
Slim
looking
one.
cute. Slim, he is looking lean type का.
Oh. He was somewhat a romantic actor
हाँ, he
since
is really,
those
yeah.
days.
Chocolatey boy kind of. Oh, he's having that physique that time
Yes.
also, right?
Right. Oof. 2003. Smile.
Okay,
he's
that's
dancing.
it.
Wow.
Ah. Flexible, right? Nigam?
సరేనన్నా ఈరోజు నువ్వు చెప్పినట్టే బతికేస్తాను బాడీలో అన్ని పాటలు పనిచేస్తున్నా పక్షవాతం వచ్చిన బతికేస్తాను ఉప్పు కారం కూడా తినడం మానేసి సన్యాసిలా బతికేస్తాను
That is emotional kind of scene. I've seen this movie, Raghavendra.
Raghavendra, okay.
Train one. Okay, lover boy, right?
He's very tall, I think. 6 feet, 6.5.
No,
He's very
not
tall.
6'5",
See? He's just like
but somewhat around a 6 feet
romantic
something.
movie. Okay, I really like that they have mentioned the movie name with the year of released date. That is very good actually.
Varsam, what does it mean? Besaram?
वर्षम में मतलब वो बारिश वर्षा मतलब आई एम गेसिंग आई डोंट नो वर्षा आई थिंक
ఈ డామడే ఈ మాత్రం దాన్ని కత్తెందుకు
అడవి రముడు that is also romantic but some college something, right?
College time.
College time romance, young stars movie.
Yes.
That is very good actually.
Right.
सोनू निगम का वॉइस है ना ये? सोनू
Right.
निगम. अच्छा वो गाना तो परदेसी परदेसी जाना नहीं उसका है. ये क्या हो रहा
Lot
है?
of romantic movies.
He
has
is
done,
chocolatey
right?
boy actually.
Okay.
Full on romance. आसीन है ना ये?
Yes.
చక్రం.
టైం లేదు జగమంత కుటుంబం నాది ఆ ఏకాకి జీవితం నాది జగమంత కుటుంబం నాది ఏకాకి జీవితం నాది జగమంత కుటుంబం
It will be something a family kind of movie.
Family kind of movie, yes.
అక్కడి నుంచి చూస్తున్నా గాలి పల్లకిలోన తరలిన పాట పాప ఊరి
Okay, in this movie he died or what? Something
No,
like
no, he is, I think, acting that he died. He will come, I think.
నా హృదయమే నాకు వాలిన హృదయములో ఇది సినిమాని జగమంత
some emotional kind of movie. it will be.
Emotional and family drama. Chhatrapati.
Okay, this is the Chhatrapati movie where people have
Chhatrapati
told us a lot
movie.
of the
People
time.
have told, yeah, this is the movie.
Yes.
I am also thinking the same.
Okay,
I
so
think this
there will be a lot
movie
of
is
accents,
having a
yeah.
Hindi dubbed also, Chhatrapati, because sometimes TV में भी आता था पहले, not now.
His physics is super from
Super
those days
from
only,
those
right?
days, yeah.
2005.
Very real, right? That scene.
Hmm.
Chhatrapati only.
Wow.
వాడిపోతే వీడు వీడిపోతే నేను నేను పోతే నా అమ్మ మొగుడంటూ ఎవరైనా అధికారం కోసం ఎగబడితే
Very real actor, man.
Seriously, Chhatrapati seems to be a good movie, good action kind of
Good
movie. you
action.
can say.
हाँ मतलब बुराई के against अच्छाई का.
Then we have to watch once.
With that lady.
Okay, with action, lot of romance is also there in this movie.
Romance तो रहेगा ही. He is a romantic hero.
Yeah, right.
Romantic chocolatey boy kind of image. Purnami.
Purnima.
Purnima,
something
हाँ
like
उसका
that.
साथ
Nag
हो सकता
Panchami
है.
or something or what.
Okay, he is doing a lot of film with this girl,
Yeah.
right? She is common actually. 2-3 movies we saw.
During those times, she
हाँ.
was too much famous.
हाँ. She has done a lot of Hindi movies also. Can speak Hindi. बाप रे.
Ooh.
Wow.
That was too much strange. Okay. This was the action. My goodness.
बाप
Execution
रे.
was so much
Execution was
real.
so much real. हाँ.
Now all the foreign locations and all you will able to see.
Are you seeing the lyrics? Bite me, shake me. It's Yogi. That is very serious sort of movie. Serious and
Yeah.
emotional.
నన్ను ప్రాణాలతో వదిలేస్తాను వాడితో కవరంపావు కదా నేను నిన్ను ప్రాణాలతో వదిలేస్తున్నా బతికిపో
2007. Too much tall. See,
That is why I'm telling. He's very tall.
I feel like his height is somewhat similar to Thor.
और की जैसे.
Yeah.
6-pack.
నేను ఒక్కసారి కొట్టినా 100 సార్లు కొట్టినా సేమ్ ఫీల్
No fat in the body.
నేను నీకులా కాన్వెంట్ బ్యాచ్ కాదు
బాజీగాడు
సెవెన్ బ్యాచ్
బాజీగాడు
नहीं नहीं बाजीगढ़
స్మెల్ వస్తుంటది
seems like a బాజీగాడు.
हो सकता है बट
స్కూటర్ని గుద్దితే
थिंक
ఎలా ఉంటుందో తెలుసా అలా ఉంటుంది నేను గుద్దితే ఎవరిని
no different story.
డార్లింగ్ పెళ్లి మాత్రం ఆగదు తెలుగు నాయే ఇవన్నీ నా కళ్యాణం పడి తమిళ ఏంటి తెలుగు ఏంటి డార్లింగ్ గొడవ అయింది కూడేసుకుందాం ఇది డార్లింగ్ గొడవ
So much movie within this 6 years only.
పోలీసుగా లేకుండా ఇంటలెక్చువల్గా ఉంటుంది డార్లింగ్ సారీ
Again this lady.
This is look Billa. This is Billa movie, right?
बिल्ला तो उसमें भी है ना तमिल में एक सेम नेम.
Movie story not sure same or different.
హోమ్ థియేటర్లో
I think different only, not.
Yes. In that Billa, Ajit sir was there.
Yes.
సిడీస్ లేక లేడీస్ లేక ఈ
బిల్లాతో నేను వెళ్తాను జస్ట్ ఫర్ సేఫ్టీ
Anushka.
ఓకే
బిల్లా
కెన్ యూ పీపుల్ లీవ్ మీ అలోన్
Wow.
I think somebody it's like a dawn, right?
हाँ डॉन. लेकिन उसमें वो मूवी भी ऐसा ही था बिल्ला डॉन काइंड ऑफ सो
Yes.
कैन बी सिमिलर नॉट श्योर. एक निरंजन.
Lot of dance and all is there, right?
ये कंगना रनौत है ना. अरे वो भी यहाँ पे है. Okay, she has done Telugu film also.
Ah,
I didn't know that. Did you know that?
no, but generally they used to do.
Okay. Darling, 2010.
And Kajal Agarwal, she is in both Tamil
Yeah.
and Telugu. Not about sure about Malayalam.
हाँ. काजल अग्रवाल तमिल भी की है हाँ करेक्ट यस. Executions of each and every movies are brilliant.
This Telugu movie only came with a lot of the slow motion and full of action kind of movies, right? See, this
Actually, not only Telugu but also Tamil. Like
Tamil-
South Indian movies, I'm telling.
Tamil mostly it will show a real kind of films.
Real, हाँ very real.
Here, a little bit over action you will see.
Yeah.
ఐ మిస్ యు డాడీ
I miss you, Daddy. Mr. Perfect.
I think I've seen this movie, huh?
You have seen?
Yes.
Comedy touch, a family drama.
So this is 2011. Mr. Perfect.
Taapsee Pannu.
I think Taapsee Pannu started her career from Telugu, only,
South.
right?
हाँ. बाप रे. Rebel. This movie is very
Rebel,
famous.
Rebel.
This
I have
this movie
seen,
you
I
have
have
seen.
seen
Yes.
many times, I think.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. And this is a very popular movie, and every time buses and all this movie used to come. I have seen also, but not fully.
This movie is having a lot of emotional,
Emotional
touch as well
touch,
as
correct.
full of action is there.
Yeah.
Full family kind of movie, you can say.
Mirchi.
Mirchi.
This jodi I really like. Anushka ka or iska.
Yeah. Because both are tall and like that.
Yes, yes, हाँ. And from that Bahubali movie only I started loving. After that I saw a lot of chemistry between them in other movies. Very good actually. अरे बाप रे कटप्पा.
He's also good actor. I've
हाँ,
seen
he's a very
him
good
in
actor.
a lot of the movies. Sometimes in villain role, sometimes in mostly in father role. I have seen.
हाँ हाँ. He's a famous actually, well-known face.
వీలైతే ప్రేమిద్దాంరా పోయేదే ఉంది
This movie also I have seen.
You have seen a lot of movies, Abhay. Action Jackson. हाँ ये तो हिंदी मूवी है.
Right. Here also Pravas is there. Okay.
I didn't
haven't
know
seen
that.
I also didn't know that he's there. Okay, because Action Jackson we haven't seen.
अच्छा ये हिंदी में ही है ना?
Yes.
हाँ बाहुबली.
And here it's come the Bahubali one.
This is the famous among
famous.
all.
Yes,
Among
that's
all.
true. And of course, the songs and all, this physics and all is showing.
बाप रे.
One of the brilliant thing.
Brilliant means it's outstanding. Nobody can do instead of him. Same.
I think one of the best movie in Indian film,
Film in
history.
history,
you can
yes.
say.
हाँ.
It have a remarkable touch.
Remarkable touch. The stories is awesome.
Picturization, music.
Everything.
Jai Mahasmati.
ఆ మరణాన్ని జయించడానికి నేను వెళ్తున్నాను నాతో వచ్చి
मेरे साथ आएगा कौन?
तुम्हें पूरा याद है.
काल के आएगा.
Kalkia. This scene we will be doing. This Kalkia fight scene.
And again, romances will be also there, right?
Yes, of course. First
So,
part है ये.
Yes, so action with romance will be always there.
Yeah.
This is second part, right? First part. Only.
नहीं नहीं ये first part
Yeah,
है.
right, हाँ.
The beginning.
Got it. Yeah.
नोरा फतेही है वो. अब ये
That
conclusion है.
Yes. Okay, after 15 he didn't do any movie in 16.
No.
Directly 17.
Directly 7,
Because he was
Conclusion.
doing this only. Full time. Okay.
And here in this movie, lot of action sequences, so they need some time to prepare everything.
And this was a tough movie
Tough
also. you
movie,
can
very
say.
tough movie, yeah.
Bahubali.
Bahubali.
Here comes Kadapa.
ఒంటి మీద చేస్తే నరకాల్సింది వీళ్ళు కాదు
Gala.
Gala. Gone. Finish. That was epic scene we have done. And this song. This songs I didn't like that much.
This song
this one was
actually-
good.
Kana so ja zara.
Yes. And I like this song. Particularly this song, I love it. Jai Jai Kara, right?
Yeah.
And his look.
You were
was-
crazy about Bahubali. How many times you have seen Abhay?
Every weekend it comes to our TV. Yes.
First part, second part. First part, second part. In this way, every week.
And this was the conclusion scene.
Saho.
Okay, so the last movie of him, Sahu.
2019. This movie didn't do well, I think, in the
Yes.
box office, right?
Right.
So we have not seen this movie, and if you want to see the trailer, we will be definitely doing. Just let us know, because this movie
I
we
think
have not
this-
seen.
This movie completed
Trailer
1
also
year.
we have not seen. Completed 1 year, yeah. I didn't like the Jodi, Shraddha Kapoor ka aur uska. I really, to be very frank, I didn't like that. Ye song.
Yes.
This is a very famous song.
Singer Psycho is also a famous song,
famous
right?
song.
Hmm. All song in this movie is good only. Not that much great, but
Good,
yes.
but that not great.
I think it failed to hit strike on people's mind.
People told that they couldn't understand what is the context of this movie. Actually, matlab,
Right.
we have seen the reviews.
Okay,
So this is the completion. Okay, it's a quite long,
Yes.
mashup, but I really
I
enjoyed
really-
it. What
yes,
about
of
you?
course,
Because
of course,
all of the scenes, all of the they have covered each and every films of Pravas
And also
career.
knowing one of your favorite actor from the beginning, how he has done or what he has done, it's really a great thing.
Great job. He has done a great job. Whoever have done it is spiritual creatures. They have done it and they have done beautifully. They have done a great job. And yes, people got to know a lot
it's
of
a great job that he has put each and every
Movies, clips.
sequences, clips
And songs.
and also he has mentioned that dates.
dates also, year, saal,
year of
and
that.
also songs, some popular songs and some of the popular scenes.
And of course, the physics he has
Yes.
from since the beginning only. He was super. I think he was inspirational for many of the young actors.
Young actors, he is
Because
having
he's,
perfect
fit,
height, perfect physique,
perfect.
everything for
Yes.
hero role.
Right,
Basically, romantic kind of scene is very much suitable because his face is like that only, chocolatey kind of image.
And also the
chocolate
great
boy.
thing is that since 2002 till now
He's
he has
consistent.
maintained that physique.
He is consistent actor and he is that kind of actor who is like giving hits.
Yes.
Okay, he is not like reduced the number of the hits or he has not done well.
Right.
That didn't
I think
happen.
in the beginning he has done a lot of romantic
Romantic
movies,
kind of movies,
with
family
drama,
drama.
and all you can say.
Yeah. So that particularly Saho movie was a pretty much disappointment, to be very frank, because this is a open platform, so that's why we are telling. We couldn't understand the context, and also to be very frank, we have not seen the trailer also.
I have seen the trailer.
You have seen the trailer,
I've
but
seen it.
people
Trailer,
have told
but
that it is very haphazard.
haphazard, or you can say it's a high kind of movie. It tried to be like somewhat James Bond and something.
But it couldn't
But yes,
do well.
somewhat it failed
Right?
it.
Actually, my friend only told me the context, and I didn't like actually, because that is very haphazard and it was not proper. Okay, they thought a lot of things, but that couldn't happen. People can like that movie also. I'm not judging. There will be a lot of people who will love this movie, right? So no offense for that, but yes, he's a very great actor, and Bahubali is the remarkable
Of course,
movie
I
of
like the
Pravas
Bahubali
life.
one
I
very much
love
better than Bahubali 2. I
Both
like.
of Bahubali part 1, part 2, both of them, but mostly Bahubali 2, because romantic touch is
Bahubali
lot.
movie was something like it's have a lot of the war scenes and all was there. So old kind of buildings and all it was there.
Graphics
and
is
graphics
superb.
was superb. And one more touches my heart is the songs of
Songs,
that particular movie. Yeah.
That is the showstopper of Bahubali
Yes.
1 and 2. I really love, I can remember still that when Bahubali 2 movie was starting, that time the starting name जब दिखा रहा है ना,
Yeah.
उस टाइम जो graphics लोग use किया,
Right.
that was
And
awesome.
And a BGM.
हाँ
behind
BGM
that,
जो
it was superb.
जब स्टार्ट हो रहा है, okay,
Right.
at the starting of the names are showing, that time the graphics, if you remember,
Right.
we can definitely give a reaction. If that is there, we can definitely give a reaction,
And
right?
also, and for
So,
Bahubali 2, we have seen the
outstanding.
first day show. Not
First
first,
day,
show, but
first-
we have seen first day.
फर्स्ट डे
बाहुबली
सेकेंड और
2.
थर्ड होगा,
Yes.
याद है मुझे.
Right.
You have just only picked me from the office, so that is very good actually, the Bahubali movie. And also some of the movies like Rebel, then
Rebel I've seen many
Action
times also.
Jackson, this kind of movie
during
we
school
saw.
or college days, it used to come a lot of the time. So I think I've seen many times.
Yes,
It's super movie.
superb. So yes, we really love this mashup. They have done brilliant job, and it is a 10 on 10 from our side, because we go, this is a kind of unique touch, like साल के साथ movie release का time, and some of the
And knowing
main movie clips.
complete thing about the actor. is
People
great.
can have eagerness also to see the movie. Okay, I can see this movie, right? This is
Like we
looking
have
good.
seen a lot of the movies.
हाँ that is why actually it is a kind of hatke kind of a
Yes.
mashup. So yes, that is it for today's video. I know that it is a pretty long video, so that is why we decided not to read comments for today.
Yes.
But yeah, definitely in the next video we'll be continuing that. And yeah, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the like button to
Yes.
like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.